We really look forward to holding this event to bring, companies together with technology.
I want to go up here and say the world is changing.
We really appreciate the partnership that we have as humans creating new jobs in this market.
I am part of Google Cloud, so I cannot fix your YouTube account. I cannot fix your Gmail issue.
That would be ridiculous. In the last quarter, okay?
There's a half a dozen that have been interested in investing in the space.
I think you just hit on something I forgot to say, which is fascinating.
And it's wonderful to see how many of you want to come, listen, tell us stories.
Great customer of ours are actually right by our office. How long is it going to take?
Here's our picking flow.
The generative UI is able to do instantaneously